What is good, Tsla family? It's Ray J back with another video. I apologize if I sound very quiet right now, but I just want to give you guys a quick update about Tesla and break down what's happening in the pre-market. Now, before I say anything, let me just note that I'm not a financial planner. I also have a Webull link if you're interested in joining. Deposit any amount of money and you're guaranteed up to 12 free stocks. But anyways, let's talk about Tesla. What's going on with the share price? It's down about $1.70 as of right now. This is about 30 minutes before the market opens. It is gapping down just like many other stocks in the markets. And this tells me that there's going to be a gap above, most likely by the time we open. And so far, there hasn't been a very bad piece of news or anything like that for the markets, at least at the time I'm recording this. Let me just remind you guys that the first 30 minutes are going to be very volatile because we have the PMI data coming out 15 minutes after the market opens. So in the beginning, we could start off slow, but things could change 15 minutes after. Then 15 minutes after that, or 30 minutes after open, we have after the PMI data comes out, we have the new home sales data and the manufacturing data. So please be ready because it's going to affect how the whole market moves. On top of that, Tesla has some new news that just came out. I'm just going to briefly go over it. We have another FSD beta rollout to the new testers, and it's going to continue to resume opening the doors for more and more customers. That's a very, very good piece of news for them. And for now, I don't consider this like super groundbreaking news, but it does open doors for beta testers. That once again will bring in more data and help them out. On top of that, there's been some talks about many US tech giants joining forces with this Indian telecom titan owned by Mukesh Ambani. Once again, if that is going to be the case, this could heavily benefit Tesla, especially in India. And Elon Musk did say he's very open to the idea of building a gigafactory over there. This is once again potentially good news for Tesla, but nothing is confirmed just yet. Finally, for the debt ceiling, not a whole lot has really progressed so far, but Kevin McCarthy came out and he said that there has been some progress that was made. So I'm not saying like, the deal is done or anything like that. It's not like a ton of progress, but McCarthy did say it's quite productive and they're still working on some kind of deal. So I just want to remind you guys that yes, for now, Tesla might gap down. The market is likely going to gap down a bit, at least at the time I'm recording this, and we may have a slow start. You have to watch the PMI reports that come out. That's going to affect the whole market. And at any given moment, if a deal is close to the debt ceiling, we're going to see a big spike in the market, a big pump to the upside. So just be open minded and be ready for that. If they don't close a deal soon, it's going to be very negative for the market. Now, as far as Tesla goes, let me just note that looking at the 30-minute time frame, we have a bearish cross on the PPO. So it's going to start off with a weak open, okay? However, we're going to be looking for it to try to base around this 50 EMA. It's around this 185.17 to 186 zone. So watch that very carefully. I don't think Tesla's going to come all the way down to like 179 or 180 in one day. It's very, very unlikely. But it's going to depend on the news. So for now, I'm just going to be looking for a potential bounce, and we're going to look at our Fibonacci retracement just real quick, just to show you guys, just like this. Let me change the color so it's easier to see. Right now, it's trying to hold the 0.236 happens to be around this 186.93 level. Then we have 185.45, which is where the 0.382 retracement happens to be. So just make sure you watch these levels very carefully and see how the day goes. But for now, on the 30-minute time frame, okay, I like to use the 30-minute time frame for the trend. There's a crossover on the PPO, wide open MACD. The trend is looking a little bit more bearish just to start off the day. But don't forget, if when we open, we're going to gap down, so there's going to be a gap above for us to fill. Going to be looking for a bounce. Make sure you watch this 50 EMA on the 30-minute time frame and pay attention to the news, okay? Anyways, guys, that's what I have for this one. I'm just going to start off with this very brief morning update. I want the best for all of you. And please, please, please be very conscientious in your trades. Thank you. Tesla to the moon as the long term is very bright. And I'll see you guys in a couple of hours for my later video. Thank you and peace out.